children. Today I am going to explain social practice paper 2. Already you know that in June first week we conduct the SA 1 exam. On this purpose we prepared the two papers. Already I explained practice paper 1. Today I am explaining practice paper 2. So there are 7 mains. I read one by one. First main, multiple choice question. What is the first main? Multiple choice question. First one, CUK. This book was written by, there are 4 options are given, Megasthenes, Ptolemy, Yuan-Sang and Ferishta. The correct answer is Yuan-Sang. The CUK, the book was written by Yuan-Sang. Second one, dash stone is called delicate stone tools. There are 4 options are given, Stone Age, Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. Correct answer is Middle Stone Age. Middle Stone Age called the delicate stone tools. Third one, dash is the first among all the Vedas. Answer is Rig Veda. There are 4 options are given, Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda. So correct answer is Rig Veda. Rig Veda is the first among all the Vedas. Next, fourth one, Mesopotamian civilization flourished between the dash rivers. Indus, 4 options are Indus River, Euphrates and Tigris. Third one, Nile and Hango. The correct answer is Euphrates and Tigris. Mesopotamian civilization flourished between Euphrates and Tigris. Next, dash fifth principle was taught by the Vardhamana. Dash fifth principle was taught by Vardhamana. There are 4 options are given, non-violence, truth, asteya and brahmacharya. Correct answer is brahmacharya. Brahmacharya, 5th principle was taught by the Vardhamana. Understood? So once again I repeat, CUK, the book was written by Yuan-Sang. The middle stone is called delicate stone age. Rig Veda is the first among all the Vedas. Mesopotamian civilization flourished between the Euphrates and Tigris rivers. Dash fifth, the Brahmacharya 5th principle was taught by the Vardhamana. Understood? Second main. So fill in the blanks. Geographically, India is dash peninsula. Geographically, India is peninsula. Harappa was found in the dash valley, Punjab. Sindh Valley, Punjab. Most famous king of the Amorites is Hammurabi. Who was, you underline the word Hammurabi. Most famous king of the Amorites is Hammurabi. Buddha delivered his first sermon at Saranath. Understood? Republic is written by Plato. Once again I repeat all the fill in the blanks. Geographically, India is peninsula. Harappa was found in the Sindh Valley, Punjab. Most famous king of the Amorite is Hammurabi. Buddha delivered his first sermon at Saranath. Republic is written by Plato. Understood? Next, match the following. So there are 2 A and B columns are given. First A column to you match the A to B. First A, Sima, 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 sandstone, epicenter, geyser, loess. So Sima, the correct answer is Sima ge oceanic crust. Sandstone, sedimentary rock. Epicenter, earthquake. Geosphere, yellow soil. Loess, underground. Geosis, underground water. Loess, yellow soil. Understood? Once again I repeat, Sima, oceanic crust. Sandstone, sedimentary rock. Epicenter, earthquake. Geyser, underground water. Loess is a yellow soil. Understood? Next, main. Answer the following one sentence. What is biosphere? The total living organisms on this earth, from the microorganisms to the biggest creatures, are called biosphere. Understood? The total living organisms on this earth, from the microorganisms to biggest creatures, are called biosphere. Next, what are longitudes? The imaginary lines that intersect equator at right angle joining the north and south are called longitudes. Understood? The imaginary lines that intersect equator at right angle joining the north and south are called longitudes. What is weathering? Weathering is the wearing away or breaking down or gradual disintegration of rocks by agents. Understood? Weathering is the wearing away or breaking down or gradual disintegration of rocks by agents. Who is called the father of political science? Aristotle. Who is the father of political science? Aristotle. What is sociology? Sociology is the science of human society. Understood? Sixth one. Define the microeconomics. Microeconomics is the study of decision making to use the resource by the smallest component. Understood? Microeconomics the study of decision making to use resource by the smallest component. Name the any two literary works. Arthashastra and Rajatarangini. Literary works ಯಾವುದು ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ and Rajatarangini. What are the valley through which attacks the what are the valleys through which the attacks on India have taken place? So Bolan and Khyber passes. Understood? Bolan and Khyber. Next, answer the following 6 to 8 sentence. What are the aspects on which monument throw more light? The monuments throw light on then contemporary religious aspects, technology, economic growth, scientific knowledge and creativity achieved. Next, write the note on Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro was very prominent. It is built of bricks so that prevent the seepage of water from the tank. Third one, it has a step on other side. The water was probably supplied to the tank by well and used the water let out. Understood? Next, what is three ratnas? Mahavira taught give vows and three principles of behavior. The latter are called Triratna, Samyak Jnana, Samyak Darshana and Samyak Charita. Understood? So, Mahavira taught a 5 vows and 3 principles of behavior. The latter they are called Triratna, Samyak Jnana, Samyak Darshana and Samyak Charita. Describe the nature of sociology. Sociology has a unique place among all the social science. It is not a directive study. It is a pure science. It is a intangible science. Next, it is a general science, not a special science. Next, fifth one. What is a weather? Name the 3 types of weatherings. Mechanical weathering. Okay, what is weather? You already write the answer in the first main. What is weathering in the what and the next types of weathering are mechanical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering. Understood? So these are all the important things. Once again I describe the nature of sociology. Sociology has a unique place among all social science. It is not a directive study. It is a pure science. It is a intangible science. It is a general science, not a special science. What is weathering? The 3 types of weatherings are there. And name the 3 types of weatherings. Already I read the weathering answer. Next, 3 types of weathering: mechanical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. And also next last main is draw the Indian map and collect the following places. So there are 5 places are given. First you read the outline map of India and locate the places. Gandhinagara, Telangana, Brihadeshwara, Jaipur and Srinagar. So these are all the important places you locate in the map. Understood? So they are already you know how many mains are there. Questions are given. So there are one sentence questions and 8 or 10 sentence. So first you read children's. Once again you read all the mains 2 or 3 times. Then you practice in rough note. So already I give the first paper in previous class. You prepare these 2 paper. Then you are easy to learn the write the examination. Understood? Thank you.